Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Jay, and in today's video we're going to be working on the F150, and let's get to it. So a while back I picked up these side steps from Canadian Tire. They're about 60 bucks because they were on sale, and I thought it'd be a great idea to put them on the F150 since it doesn't really have steps. Turns out that on this F150 it has the holes underneath here for the bigger step, but for these universal ones I have to make some holes. Well, not in the actual thing. I decided to make some holes on the actual steps. See here, this is the original hole. It's a bit off, so I had to make a new hole and just gonna put those on. And if you see underneath the car, you see these holes here. These are holes for the actual steps. You have to match them up with the universal steps, and that's how we're doing this. Comes with some more the hardware bits. These are for installing on the different types of vehicle. I believe this one's for a Ram, this one's for Silverados, something like that. These extra hardware for me on the F150, these are pretty useless. These are useless, and some hardware here. You do need to use a couple of these. So it works for most. It does work for most pickup trucks. And I'm putting one on right now, then I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright, so I have one of them on right now. It's not tight right now because I'm still trying to make sure it's a good fit. Basically, underneath the truck, as long as you match up the holes, you just put them in there. The bolt goes up, and you have the bolt, a washer, and a nut on top. Like, hopefully I can get it from here. See right there? Hopefully it focuses right there, like that, and it stays on there. Then you take a screw like this. It goes on the top, on the very top. You have to on this one I will most likely have to make a hole just so they stay on straight. And yeah, that's how it gets installed on the F150. Alright, so I got the first one on. That's the farthest up front I can to put on this on the F150. It's not that bad. There's a metal pillar going over here and over here, so I can't really move it back for the back seats. I can't really move it up front. I could move it all the way up here, but don't think that will look good. So with the doors closed, this is how it looks. That's how it looks. It's not that bad. Just a small thing for the truck. In the meantime, we're airing out the E46 and recharging the battery with the E90. Since both batteries in the back, it's pretty easy for them to charge up. Now I'll get to the next side of the truck. Alright, so now I got the other one in too. It's in the exact same spot. We close the doors, and this is how they look. That doesn't seem that bad. I mainly put them on for whenever someone else uses the truck. Yeah, 60 bucks. It wasn't that bad. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Comment down below what you guys think. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.